Hi guys, so welcome back. In the last video, we have understood about how we can add the total expenses, or we can, how we can update our total expenses or budget amount based on the transaction we are adding, either it's an expense or income, right? And we have added a check also. Recently, I have also created one video for filtering the filtration for these transaction expenses. In this video, we'll understand about the category, how do we can filter the categories, and also we'll check. Also, I'll tell you how I have generated that code as well. Okay, I got it. If you can check once, if I try to open here, if I'll just check, select as income, search, so you can see. So there is some issue with this filter. Let me fix it. Where is our home page? And what I'll do here is that uh, we will add a custom app bar to let me remove it. Okay. And okay. And where is our not this one? What we will do here is we will make it separate. Okay, we will put everything as separate. Wrap up with widget, which is called not this one, sorry. Scaffold body, we can have a bar here. uh I'll remove these things also, and we can have here self. Okay, and I'll put this a bar cut. Here is our here goes that scaffold. So import port, we can have uh, home tab start. Okay, let's import, let's fix import, and we will use only this one, right? Okay, and we can also show it like this. Perfect. Now we can replace it. I'll just copy and paste it here. Format document. And yep. And we'll have a consumer widget reference and reference port format document. Format document. Okay. Okay. And we'll have listeners also. Okay. And next. We will have this icon button as a check, and we will go here. Import. Uh, we will have from dashboard. From the document. Paste. And we will have a this copy format document. Save and let's take a hot restart. Okay. So yeah, now we are. I think now it should work. Yeah. So as I said, you can have a reset. What I have done here is that I'll explain. We have, see here, we have separate list for everything. Like if we are talking about dashboard, then we have graph transactions are different, calendar month transactions are different, and mainly we have this transaction for this list. Okay, we are using separate list for everything. Okay, and if I'll go to our transaction provider here, we have one filter dashboard where we are filter uh, this one. Okay, we have get dashboard transactions for this one, calendar month for this one. Okay, and we have get transactions for this one, and we are maintaining it separately. This is how it works. Okay, we have get board transaction and everything, we have loaders and everything. We know I didn't add any separate loader because one page will be seen at the one time, right? Like if the dashboard is viewed, transaction list is not shown. If transaction list is there, dashboard page is not shown. So that is why I have used same loader. But yeah, variables are different, so it won't affect the another page. Okay. So now we have categories filter. Now we have to create one categories filter here. So what I'll do, I'll go to our category list. Yeah, this one, and we have a filter here, same as our transaction one. See, okay, I'll create one page, categories filter bottom sheet dot. Okay, so here I'll create one stateless class called categories filter bottom sheet. Okay, we have filter bottom sheet, and we need the categories reference as well. I think if I'm not wrong, yeah, it's okay, yeah, this one, because we need reference, not provider. Provider will generate. Okay, we have an icon button actually. Okay, and let me paste it. But paste on the document, and we will use this research type as well. Get categories, get categories, and reset widgets will have is using, okay. What I'll do here is I'll just go to our home page, add new budget. So we have a budget amount clear, clear, the duration perfect, and then uh, not this one, sorry, but this one. Null, uh, perfect. Okay, move back. Yeah, okay. I'll just go select category and it is have. We will add a condition. Okay, Okay, so we have all the filters. Now what I'll do here is I'll do the same thing which I have done here as well. We have this one will be a consumer widget. We have widget reference as reference. Okay, and we have single child scroll view as well. Single child scroll view. We have column. Comment document and okay. It's looking very choppy. We have filter categories. Comment document and oh, something has happened. Do I have any? Okay, let me firstly take some data here. Like I need this field. Uh, copy, quick fix, import, and we don't have any validator here. We don't have anything related these things. We paste. Same thing we need here as well. We have a difference of size box is 10. Then I'll uh, copy, paste, validator. Okay. Then I'll have a copy, paste, copy, paste. Format document. We don't have this one, this one. Don't have even validator as well. It's a custom no, this one. Copy, paste. Quick fix import. Okay. Now we are left with our this one. Okay. So let me just copy the code here. Copy and paste it here. Quick fix import. Quick fix import. Format document. Save. Let me check. Okay. Category name not been initialized. Let me check what is happening here. Okay. We don't need this. We don't need this one because we will be using it. Let me run our okay. Hot restart and okay. Don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. Don't need this. Hot restart. Now it is working fine as expected. We'll reset. If I'll try to add GRO. Okay. Let me try to filter it. Okay. I haven't added any filtration as well. So we have to add some filter here. We will have, let me check. We will have string category name. Period index. Duration we have, okay, and other duration. Cut comment document and yeah, copy. We have database and implementation. Get categories. Comment document. Save. Okay, now we have to do the same thing we have done in our categories. Sorry, transactions. If category name is not equal to null, okay, yeah. So I was checking, yeah, where arguments has where we have to check. We have category name, okay, category copy, sorry, not this one. Copy and paste percent, and we have This one. Format document. Okay. It's a question mark and yeah. Okay. Now, if budget is not equal to null, if where is not equal to null and where equal to null, yeah. So where dot and then we have budget amount. Okay. Where dot add format document and yep. Else we have to do same thing here. Copy paste copy paste. Okay. Now we have if next is budget duration, yeah, is not equal to null, then we have to just copy paste it, copy and paste format document, and we have budget, we have as duration, put it as duration, copy, we save, paste, 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 paste. Next we have budget period. Okay, let me just copy and paste it. Okay, we have a budget period index. So let me just modify it with this one. Paste, 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 document, paste. Cut. I would say paste it here. Copy is not empty. Document and we have where as where, sorry, where and where arguments, we have where arguments. Common document, paste. So I have a hot restart and I'll just category provider will pass here, get categories. Here we can pass duration and budget period. Okay, budget amount, category, budget controller, dot text, dot trim. Okay, let me check. Double dot parse. Okay, duration, copy, and we have last with our budget period. Copy, document and paste. Copy, final, string, category name. Okay, now what we will do is not empty if else null. Okay, same I'll do here. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Is not empty, else null. And we can also pass as try parse. Format document. Yeah, so it's a nullable, right? Format document, save. Then we have duration. Copy is not empty, else null. Format document, paste, copy. Not this one, sorry. So we can have directly this copy not equal to null if, and we can also convert it to this one also. Perfect. Let me hot restart it and check once. Filter, and I'll add G as search. So yeah, search perfectly working. It is not resetting. Reset minutes. Budget name I have clear. Name once again. Name I have budget I have clear. Budget duration. Yeah. Reset perfect. Search. We don't have this type. Once others we don't have. Reset. Yeah. I think we can now just have one thing here. Uh, cut, and we can just return as empty list. Okay. Okay, and here we can have uh we can okay, we will not but we can also have categories as empty list. Sorry, not this one, but when we are searching get category, this one, we can search. It is working fine. So we are done with filter categories and everything. uh Now we are left with only we have to push this code to our GitHub, right? So I'll create another video where I'll just log in. If you see, if you need the video to be uh, that I'll see, we'll start with a new project. Okay, in the from the next video where I'll give you an intro. It will start with it. Okay, I'll give you a glimpse, like we'll learn about block provider with the next block state management in the next project. Okay, and I'll give you first video. I'll explain what we'll learn, what will tools we are using, which design I have ready with my design and everything. First, then we'll start with the new project. Okay, so if you need that I'll push this code to GitHub, just comment on this video and I'll push this code on GitHub and you will get an access of it. Okay. Anything if you want any questions and anything regarding in the whole project. So we are because we have completed this one. So you can just comment in this video and I'll answer you. Okay. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.